Are you interested in doing real-time artificial intelligence, machine learning, and data science in Python? Do you want to write code in Python that provides analytics and insights in real time like the one that I have running now? Have you wondered what it takes to make your Python code work on real-time data? The importance of real-time data processing has never been greater. Let Deephaven maximize the time you spend crafting innovative solutions in Python through the use of Deephaven Learn. Hi, and welcome to the video series about the Deephaven Learn package. With Deephaven Learn, you can integrate your Python data science, AI, and ML routines with Deephaven tables. In doing so, you leverage Deephaven's table update model, which provides a scalable solution for highly variable data streams, both static and dynamic. In this series, I'll cover the basics of Deephaven Learn, which includes the following topics: gathering data, computing on the gathered data, scattering results back into Deephaven tables, the learn function, handling static data, handling dynamic data, the importance of the batch size, making the transition from static to dynamic data, and lastly, putting it together with a real example. This is the first video in a series on Deephaven Learn. Check out the other videos in the series for more information on how to harness the power of Deephaven in Python. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed the video, hit the like button and subscribe for more content like this.